Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. This is Suldana. I would like to talk about my experience of IELTS exam, which I have taken recently. Actually, I have appeared in IELTS twice, both from British Council and IDP. So I would like to my experience regarding speaking. In speaking, we have to wear masks due to this pandemic situation. Uh, both examiner and examinee need to wear the masks, and as a candidate we need to be familiar with that mask. So I would request you to practice in your home wearing masks, and also practice in front of mirror, record your voice so that you can analyze your mistakes, you can check your progress, and make sure that your mouse fitted well so that it do not get down like this. This is not the way to wear marks, right? So my examiner advised me, please wear the marks properly when I was delivering my speech or delivering my answer, especially in QCAT, which was quite distracting and deadly because I was missing that time, my fluency, my thought process. And in exam room, we all tend to be a little bit stressed, as you know, regardless our preparation or anything. So I would advise you wear your marks properly and give your best. And also I would like to add something. Please take preparation with your friends who are also interested in the speaking part, and check your progress so that you can understand your journey, your aim, and you are getting or not, whether you're getting or not your desired brand or score. Okay, as you see, when we talk, our marks tend to get down, right? So at the time of exam, you need to wear a mask that stand still on your mouth, as well as is feel comfortable. Another important tips is try to be familiar with your exam center also. If possible, visit your exam center prior to exam date. And also, you can also discuss with the candidate after their exam so that you can gain some knowledge and experience from them. And regarding preparation, I would like to add little more things, that do not memorize your answer. The examiner are very well prepared and trained. They can easily detect, is it memorized or is it natural. If it is natural, you will get quite a good marks, and if you try to memorize anything, they will try to stop you anyway. They may raise their hand, or they may stop you directly, or change the topics, or ask you another question. So don't memorize any question, try to be naturally fluent and efficient. And also in fast part, try to give your answer within 2 or 3 sentences, not more than that. As you know, in fast part questions are very short. Sometimes they ask why. And part 2, try to maintain your fluency, try to maintain your marking criteria so that you good grade. But take utilization, take privilege, take advantage of your 1 minute preparation. take notes. Don't raise your hand, but don't show him or her that you have done with your taking notes. In my case, I have seen that when I have raised my head while I was taking notes, the examiner thought that I have done with my preparation. And then and there she or he asked me, okay, you can begin your speaking if you are ready. Your time start now. You push the button. So there is no way back, right? So try to focus on those things. And regarding part 3, you have to be a little bit narrative, expand more if you want to get good grade. Also try to add some real life experience or example, but don't use similar vocabulary, similar word again and again. It tends to be boring. Trust me, when I listen my own voice, when I have practicing, it was quite boring. So try to add more variation, try to add some twisting. And part 2, somebody will tell you that it is a storyteller. I also agree with them, and it is really a storytelling. So in a story, in a film or in a drama, we want some twisting, right? If there is no twisting, if there is no plot, we get bored and annoyed, right? That is not an interesting story. So try to have some interesting thing. Try to add little more extra things, which is not true. Nobody will judge it, is it true or not. But when we try to tell a story, we need to add something little more extra spices so that the listener enjoy it, right? And try to convey your message easy way that examiner get it easily. Don't be complex. Don't try to use the high lexi vocabulary or fancy vocabulary. It does not help you much. If the sentence context demand that high lexi vocabulary, you can use that. That would be natural. But if you're forced to use high lexi or idioms, phrase, things like that, that would not sound natural, and you would not get good grade. Okay, I'm not expert, but I'm telling from my experience. And if you have been seeing this video till the end, I assume that you like this, and try to follow my channel by subscribing. I will try to update little more things regarding other 3 modules, and please do comment about what you like to know more and what you are struggling with. I really love to hear from you, and look forward to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.